today's recipe Avalakki Poha. Aval. Take a bowl, add 2 cup of Avalakki or take how much you want based on the people. Add the water, clean the Avalakki first 1 2 3 times and keep aside. Let it strain. Now the cutting preparation. Take 3 onion, 2 tomatoes, 1 lemon, 4 chilies, curry leaves, fresh curry leaves and coriander. Now cut it. Onion you can cut in long size, so it will give the different taste. You can try it once. I am cutting long. The taste will be different. You can check. You can, when you are adding finely chopped onion and big cubes, it will give different taste. Long or cutting onion also, it will give different taste. You can try it because weekly once or twice I used to prepare. This Avalakki is little bit different. You can try it once. It is a very tasty and very healthy breakfast. You can use it. So cut the 2 tomatoes. You can add the tomato. If you don't want, you can no need to add the tomatoes, but it will give good taste. You can add it. If you want, you can add peas also. So chilies, cut it in middle, so you don't need to make a fine chopping, so it will give the proper taste. It will mix in oil and it will give taste. You can cut it in medium size or small size. Anyways, we are keeping in oil, so it will give the spicy taste. You cut the lemon also and keep aside. So almost our preparation is done. You can see, and this is we required for Avalakki preparation. Take a kadai on the gas, add 2 to 3 teaspoon oil. I have Avalakki more, so I am adding bit more. You can add directly raw groundnuts, or you can make separately, fry it and add it later. Take 1 teaspoon mustard, 1 teaspoon jeera or cumin, chilies, curry leaves. Let it saute it well. Add the onion. 3 onion I have taken. That is a long cutted. So you can fry it well. Let it turns pink. If you want crunchy also, you can fry it well. It will take longer time. Hey guys, if you're watching videos and if you like the videos and concepts, please hit the like button and share and subscribe. If you want any other recipe, you can message in the comment box. Let it cook well. Almost it is ready, but till some more time is required. Let it cook. It is almost done. We can add the tomatoes. So make it soften. Let it be softened. Saute it well, so it will turn into soft. Close the lid. Let it cook. Almost it is ready. Having Avalakki with 1 cup of tea is a perfect breakfast. Avalakki is the healthy breakfast. Add 1 small teaspoon turmeric. I am adding red chili powder, which is my favorite part. This is a Kashmiri lal red chili powder. It will give nice color. If you want more spicy, you can add more. I have added medium because I did a lot of trial and error, so I need to know the taste, how it will come. Add it properly. Now add the Avalakki. Mix it well. Avalakki should be served hot. Don't make it cold and serve, it won't be taste. Add salt as per the taste, sugar as per the taste. Sugar will give nice taste, so add at least 1/2 teaspoon and mix it well. Add the groundnuts. I have separately fried it. It should be crunchy and this will give very good taste, and groundnuts are good for health. So mix it well. Our avalakki is ready to eat. We have to add now lemon. Let it be hot properly. Lemon you have to add after off the flame, then you can add the lemon. Remove the seeds, don't add with the seeds. Seeds will give bittery taste. So add the lemon, mix it well. Our avalakki is ready. Add coriander. So keep aside. Now I am going to prepare a milk tea, which is a good combination for avalakki. You can eat at any time. Most probably all Indian people, they used to prepare avalakki weekly twice. Very easy to prepare. Now I have taken 2 cup of milk. Let it boil, then add ginger and cardamom. Let it cook, then add tea powder 2 teaspoon for 2 people. Let it cook. This is a cardamom tea powder. So mix it well. Cook it. Our almost tea is ready. So now you can add jaggery and serve the tea. This is a jaggery tea. I won't drink normal tea. This is jaggery tea, and which is good for health also. So our avalakki aval poha is ready to eat with 1 cup of tea. You can see how it is looking juicy and tasty. So you can have it. Try it once. You will definitely love the recipe. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Please like, share, subscribe. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Take care.